Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2003 Honda Goldwing 1800 with 55,667 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket TRIKE kit, chrome dash panel accents, accessory lighting on the tour pack and rear trike body, Carrier and ISO grips, and fog lamps. From Honda, it comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system as well as reverse. Premium comfort, bulletproof reliability, and impressive performance are hallmarks of the Goldwing. Powered by an 1832cc flat-six fuel-injected motor, the Goldwing puts out an impressive 123 foot-pounds of torque and 118 horsepower through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 919 pounds and has a seat height of 29.1 inches. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.